Hi! In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. You need to start by opening the device's Play Store. When you're ready, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Then get this free app from Flare to Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!